Do you perform repetitive tasks in your Salesforce org? Something simple like scheduling a follow-up task on a lead after a call can take a lot of time when it is done 100 times a day, multiplied across your entire company. Don't worry, Salesforce has a thing for that, and they are called macros. Anytime you do a repetitive activity in your org, you should consider using a macro to do it in the future. They are super easy to build. Almost any user in your org can learn how to create and use these to make their jobs easier and life better. Here are a couple of examples. First, a simple one that we all have to do, scheduling your 2-week follow-up task after a call. So, let's open a lead that has not been contacted and click Mark Status as Complete to move the record to the next lead stage. Then we locate Macros in the bottom left-hand corner. When we click on it, the menu opens and we can select macros that we have previously created. We will select the 2-week follow-up task. Once it is selected, we can click on Details if we want to see what it does. We can see that this macro will select the active lead, it will schedule a follow-up task, and then it will close the lead record. We will close the macro details record, return to the lead record, and click Run Macro. Now we sit back and enjoy our coffee while Salesforce does the work for us. Once completed, we will be returned to the Leads List view where we will select a customer lead and will run the new customer lead macro. We can view the details to see that this creates a 2-week follow-up reminder, then sends the Lightning email template number 1 for new Sales Cloud leads to the lead from the logged-in user's email address. Lastly, the macro closes the record and returns us to the Leads List view. Let's go ahead and run it. The last lead we will select is incorrectly categorized as a customer, so we will update the record type to partner and save. Then we will click the Mark Status as Complete button to mark the record as working contacted, and we will again navigate to the Macros menu in the lower left-hand corner and select the macro for a new partner lead. Again, the macro creates a task for a 2-week follow-up assigned to the logged-in user, then selects the Lightning email template for new partner leads, sends the email with our company resume attached, and finally closes the lead record. Other things we can ask our admin to do in our Salesforce org to make the entire process more automated include adding a flow to automatically update the last contacted date custom field on the lead record and lead scoring. Visit us at dynaspectgroup.com to learn more.